In a world where heavy duty is just the starting line, one name has risen above the rest. Risoldi's Automotive, where tow trucks come to be reborn. For years, two brothers, Angelo and Mike, have poured heart, soul, and unmatched craftsmanship into restoring America's hardest-working machines. From frame to finish, every inch is built with obsessive attention to detail, because here, good enough isn't even close. Every bolt, every bracket, every inch of steel is touched by a level of craftsmanship that borders on obsession. Mike and Angelo Risoldi have built a reputation, brick by brick, bolt by bolt, for unmatched attention to detail. Their specialty? Some of the biggest, heaviest-duty tow trucks in the country. These machines don't just work, they impress. On highways, job sites, and heavy recovery scenes across the East Coast. It's more than fabrication, more than restoration, it's a standard. A signature, a Risoldi build. Precision engineering, superior strength, absolute pride in every job. Risoldi's Automotive, where craftsmanship meets muscle, and every truck earns the badge. It isn't just a garage, it's a legacy built on grit, precision, and pride. The result? Some of the most powerful, high-capacity, heavy-duty trucks working the East Coast today.